Hello, my name is Pat Levesh. I am the managing attorney of the Family Law Unit at Greater Boston Legal Services. I am honored once again to be addressing the captains of the Associate Fund Drive at this kickoff. Welcome back to those of you who have been on this journey before, and welcome to those of you who are new to join this year. Thank you for continuing to support us in these trying and unprecedented times. Let me tell you something about the Family Law Unit and our clients. We have 12 attorneys, including me. We have 3 paralegals, and we have 1 legal assistant, administrative assistant. Together, we provide legal services to victims and survivors of domestic abuse in Boston and 31 surrounding cities and towns. We do this in a variety of ways. One is by representing individuals who have contested matters in the probate and family courts. Normally, these are cases where the abuser is trying to get custody of the children of the parties and is using the legal system as a means to further abuse the victim. We represent people straight through from the beginning of a case to the end of a case, including trials. We also will appeal certain cases if it appears that the judge has made a bad decision not in accordance with the law or has abused his or her discretion. We try to accept those kinds of cases where we think we're going to have an impact on many people across the Commonwealth who are victims of domestic abuse. We have 2 court-based projects, one in Suffolk County Probate and Family Court, one in Middlesex County Probate and Family Court, where we have on-site offices staffed by an attorney and a paralegal who are able to see people immediately when they come seeking a restraining order. In the case of the attorney project, we are able to actually step into the courtroom and file an appearance on their behalf. We hope that this ensures that people get the help they need. We have a project that's devoted exclusively to the issue of domestic violence in the LGBTQ community. We train law students through our clinical placement program about domestic violence law and family court law in the hopes that they will continue to carry on this work in the future. We have a project that provides services to victims and survivors who are seeking to leave Massachusetts or to come into Massachusetts to escape abuse. This project works with a number of agencies across the Commonwealth to ensure that these folks stay safe and get the services that they need to continue to keep the abuser away. We work with community organizations like domestic violence services agencies for the benefit of our mutual clients. We work with the trial court administrative office to ensure that our clients' concerns about access to justice in the courts are heard. We also work on legislative matters, including affirmative legislation and defending against legislation that would be harmful to our clients. Our clients are largely comprised of low-income to very low-income victims and survivors. They are a largely immigrant population or a limited or non-English speaking population. More than half of them are people of color. In calendar year 2019, we closed close to 500 cases. Right now we have an active caseload of between 200 and 300 cases, depending on where they are in the legal pipeline. The COVID-19 crisis has had a deleterious effect on everyone. In particular, our clients are now, in many cases, stuck with their abuser, living during a lockdown, not able to make a phone call to get help, and the abuse could continue. We're concerned because our sister agencies in the domestic violence communities are reporting that not many calls are being made to them. We expect that to change, though, in the not too distant future, as people realize they're able to access emergency services and then find their way to us at GBLS. The Associates Fund Drive is a major source of support for the Family Law Unit and its work. It is astounding what you have been able to do in the past in order to support this very important work. Last year, you raised $500,000. That is stunning. I don't know if we'll be able to do that this year, given the circumstances, but I have no doubt that all of you will be very energetic, as you always are, in doing this work and trying to raise money for this very important project.